You won't believe this, a flaky sugar-free banana pie that is ready in 15 minutes, and both kids and adults go crazy for it. Start with one ripe banana. Peel it and place it in a bowl. Mash it until smooth. Take one frozen paratha or puff pastry and cut it into 4 pieces. Let it thaw, then add a spoonful of banana mash on each. Fold it over. Press the edges tightly with a fork to seal. Place them into the air fryer. Separate one egg. Beat the yolk. Brush the egg yolk over the surface. Sprinkle some black sesame seed on top. Air fry at 160 degrees centigrade for 8 minutes. Flip them over. Brush the egg yolk over the other side. Cook at 160 degrees centigrade for another 4 minutes. Crispy, sweet, and basically foolproof. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.